This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I fix my analog stick drift quick when I'm playing games on my PS5. So the first thing I do is identify the stick that is causing the drift. Most of the time it's on the right thumbstick. So I'll rotate this around 10 times to the right, and then I'll switch and go 10 times to the left. And then I'll click it down and hold it down, and then rotate it as well. Then do the opposite side. Then you can lift up, and you'll feel your thumbstick push up, and then you can push it down. And do this 10 times as well. Now, fully compress the thumbstick in, and you want to blow into this little gap. Sometimes debris falls into here, and it messes with the little sensors. Then we can use some duster or compressed air, and we can blow into the sides. So we can blow right here. Press it down and blow on this side, then this side, and this side. You want to try to get every different angle you possibly can to blow in here. Now, most of the time when I'm playing, like Call of Duty, I'm mid-game, so I just push it to the side like this, and I'll just use my mouth. I'll just blow right into here. So blow as much as you can possibly into this little gap, and then try it out, and then keep rotating around and lift it up and down. And that should dislodge anything that's kind of causing an issue in there. And I've noticed this is a good temporary fix, but it might not fix it long term. So it seems like I have to do this once every like 2 or 3 weeks. Or you do have the option to open up your controller and try to fix it that way as well, if this way doesn't continue to work. But hopefully this little trick did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.